I get you now.
Put that shit on ghetto, ghetto. We can either get Cincinnati doing their thing on the first 48, get us on ghetto bras. We can get them.
Hey, ghetto bras go fucking champ. I've been fucking with ghetto bras since I was in the 7th grade.
You hear me?
Ghetto bras.
Got his eyes shut, y'all like.
Oh yeah, we just seen it.
The nigga down there.
We just seen it.
We got cubs.
Oh, we ain't get him good 'cause it's dark outside.
Nah, white boy did. He got stumped by like 10 white boys. It was a whole white boy fight. It was probably like 2 or 3 black dudes, but they wasn't responsible.
Oh, it's raining. Oh my goddamn turn.
Yeah.
Goddamn turn. Spit on me.
Stupid D. Yeah, it's doing numbers down here. Hard numbers. Y'all know what it is. Very responsive from the YouTube world. Beamer, Benz, Bentley right here. My shoes. It's real clean. But we going back this way 'cause it's raining and I guess we about to go to the car 'cause Feral TV is not about to get wet. Yeah. Ain't nobody videotaping you. You ain't shit. Ain't nobody videotaping you, man.
Hold on. I don't like. Hey.
Hold on. What? What'd you just say? What did you just say?
To the camera. Hey, can I be honest? I'm from the west side of Dayton, born in Dayton View. Never been seen shoulder to shoulder with a white girl. Never been seen shoulder to shoulder with a white girl. You feel me? I like skins. I ain't got nothing against white girls. I like skins. I like brown girls. I like red bones, but you ain't never seen me with a white girl.
Why this bitch try to play me and try to play herself on camera like we was really looking at her ugly, skinny ass? You feel me? Nobody looking at her. We got this.
No problem. No trouble. No none of that.
But we going back down here.
Right.
You feel me? We walking up on the nigga face who look like this. His eyes look like that. That nigga eyes look like that. You feel me?
Damn, they got the ambulance out
Bro, they
there.
got everybody down here. Emily.
Posted Buster Douglas.
A nigga got whooped this motherfucking bad.
That was all right.
Hey, for the first time in history, niggas ain't start this trouble.
Nah, we definitely did. Damn. I ain't about to get my mans like that all fucked up on the camera. 'Cause they put a neck brace on him. His face look like trick or treat time.
I feel
real. I feel bad for him too. If I would have showed his face on this camera, y'all would have felt bad for him too. But I ain't even gonna do that to my man. Well, shit. I guess this was an early night. Y'all already know what it is, man. It's Feral TV, man. Shit just keeps getting crazier and crazier. Shit.